my science teacher gave us the homework to observe nature and discover things about it. I am observing this flower, and I discovered that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a lot of petals. And I also discovered that it is green and white and pink, like me. Take a look. Wow. Let's go find some more things. Wow, there's a hole at the bottom of this tree. Hello? Look, roses. But be careful, they have thorns. Ew. I found a rock. Look. It's so smooth. This is a really big tree. Look. I found some sticks in a big bush. Peekaboo. More rocks. These are white. They're stuck in the ground. I love nature. That was fun. I can't wait to tell my class about all the discoveries we made. Which one was your favorite? I really liked looking at the flowers. The flowers are my favorite.
Hey, Chloe! Look! I found a worm!
Ew, that's gross, Chet.
No, it's not! Worms are delicious! You want to try it?
Oh, no, thank you.
Just kidding.
Oh, brother.